If a particle moves along the curve x is equals to 2t square, y is equals to t square minus 4t, z is equals to 3t minus 5, where t is any time, you need to find the velocity and acceleration at the given time t is equals to 1. So here the given vector is not in the form of like normally how they give you in ij unit vectors like I cap, j cap and k cap. So here it is given like x, y, and z. So first I'll form a complete vector. Then it is simple to find velocity and acceleration. Previous sum we had solved, it was like components of velocity. But here it is simple. Only velocity and acceleration. No components at the given time t is equals to 1. So I'll start solving. Solution. That is, so given vectors are x, y, z. These are the just what to say coordinates they have given. So that is x is equals to 2t square, given is y is equals to t square minus 4t, and z is equals to 3t minus 5. So first I'll form a vector. So general form of a vector r is equals to x into I cap, y into j cap plus z into k cap. So in place of x I'll put the value of x, that is 2t square into I cap, plus y value is t square minus 4t into j cap, plus z value is 3t minus 5 into k cap. This is your r vector. So now I got a complete r vector, with that which I can find out the velocity and acceleration. So always remember, if in the examination, if in the question, if they have not given you the complete r vector, instead they have given you in the points like x, y, z, you need to form a complete r vector and then solve. So velocity formula is dr by dt. So here 2 is constant, so it will be out. Differentiation of only t square into I cap plus. Here there are two terms, so it will be d by dt of first thing, that is t square, minus 4 is constant number out, d by dt of only t whole round into j cap plus. Same thing again, there are two numbers, so 3 is constant, it will be out, d by dt of only t minus d by dt of 5 into whole, that is whole vector into k cap. Okay, so here since 3 is a constant, it will have taken out, so differentiation d by dt means what? Differentiation of that term is equal to 2 into what is differentiation of t square? I told you, if there is any alphabet raised to number, what we need to do, write the upper number 2 first into t raised to, subtract one number from that, that is 2 minus 1 into I cap plus. Same differentiation of t square, again write this 2 number first, write the alphabet t, subtract 2 from 1. Actually there is a formula, but in examination if you don't remember the formula, you can use this, minus 4 into differentiation of t with respect to t is 1, so I am not going to write it, into j cap plus. Again same thing, 3, t with respect to t is 1, minus differentiation of any number is constant, that is it is treated as constant and it is 0, so into k cap. So finally you get 2 2s are 4, t raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 I cap plus 2 into t 2 minus 1 4 into j cap plus 3 into k cap. So this is your velocity. So at t is equals to 1, so it is given in the question, find the time t is equals to 1, so wherever there is t put 1. So 4 into 1 into I cap plus 2 into 1, that is minus 4 into j cap plus 3 into k cap. So 4 ones are 4 into I cap, 2 minus 4 is minus 2 into j cap plus 3 into k cap. So this is your velocity at the given time t is equals to 1. Next I'll go for the acceleration. Acceleration, to find acceleration I need to get the vector, that is velocity vector, with that only I can find the acceleration. So always remember, we need to use the velocity before putting the time t. So don't take this vector and start differentiating to find the acceleration. Okay, so before putting the time t is equals to 1, what was the velocity vector we had? This one, so use that. So I'll write it down, that is 4 in t into I cap plus 2t minus 4 into j cap plus 3 into k cap. Now differentiate this velocity, you will get the acceleration. So acceleration formula is dv by dt. So 4 is constant out, d by dt of t into I cap plus, again there are two numbers, so 2 is number out, d by dt of t minus differentiation of number 4 into j cap plus 3 again d by dt of 3 into k cap. So 4 in differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 I cap plus 2 into t with respect to t is 1, I am not going to write, minus differentiation of any number is 0 and differentiation of any number is 0, so the whole term of k becomes 0. So finally we get 4 I cap plus 2 minus 0 is 2 into j cap. This is your acceleration. At time t is equals to 1, here also it is followed, but we can see that there is no t present here to put t, the value of t. So this is only your answer. This is your velocity, this is your acceleration at time t is equals to 1. Thank you.